It's your hustling homie Jackson 360, all about helping you take action. And right now I'm in the kitchen and we whipping it up. Whip it, flip it. You already know, in that order, doing a real simple a hustle snack. This is a quick hustle snack if you want to keep it healthy. You want to have healthy hustle habits. Let's say you're working from home and you just want to eat something light. We want to keep ourselves energized and strong, and so one of the primary things is you got to eat your greens. So right here I got some turnips, I got spinach, mustard greens. But here's the thing, I always have hated greens, eating it growing up. I didn't really start eating any vegetables until I was almost 25, 30 years old. But once I learned how to properly prepare vegetables, I started eating them all the time. You gotta know how to eat them to make them taste good so that you love them. So the first way that I eat them is I just use a blender, and I'll do another video where I show you how I just get the blender, not a juicer but a blender, and you just throw in some apples, some ginger, maybe some spinach, and just blend that up. Put a little ice in there with some water and you drink it. Boom, bada boom, bada bang. But in this video I'm going to show you a secret tip that I rarely show. I got the griddle out. This is a griddle. I like this griddle. This is great if you want to just saute your vegetables real quick. You just heat them up, just simmer. So what I did is I got a little coconut oil. That's what I'm using. And you know, I already put a little bit on there. You just get a little bit. Boom, you just throw it on there. What I love about coconut oil, you can use it for like 1,000 different reasons. Put it on your lip, you know what I'm saying? Keep your lips moisturized. You can eat it. It's really good for your brain food. You know, you got them fat good. It's that good fat. Good. Cleans your breath, makes your breath and stuff smell better. So you just turn that griddle up, put it like on 250. Then of course you just get your greens and you just wash them. These been in the refrigerator for about 5 days, so they almost going bad, so I gotta cook these up right now. The key is you don't even need them on there very long. Literally all I'm doing is heating them up. I'm just gonna heat them up for about 60 seconds. That's it. I'm just heating them. And you get you like some pink Himalayan sea salt. Got the iodine in it. This is minerals. Back in the Roman days, they would pay the soldiers in salt. That's how important minerals are. Put a little bit on there, not too crazy. You can get you some apple cider vinegar with the mother. This is great to add a little flavor to it. That's the key. If you don't want it to taste too, bitter, or you can get a lemon. Just put a little lemon juice on there. Boom. A little lemon juice. Lemon is great for you. I love eating lemon. Make a lot of stuff taste better, especially if you're going to saute it. It's real healthy for you too. Keeping your body alkaline. They say your body should be alkaline 7.4. That's another story. Ooh, that's actually good. Boom. Just a little bit for flavor, and that's it. You got you a little pepper or something, put you some pepper on there. You're not really cooking them. A lot of people cook all of the nutrients out of the greens. It ain't about cooking. You want to still keep them where they got the nutrients in it. That's the purpose. You're not eating it just for taste. You want to maintain them nutrients. See? We're going to leave it on there for probably another 30 seconds. We're going to let them get just a little soft. Not too soft, just a little bit. So let's take a quick look at that. Y'all see those greens? These are turnip greens right here. Cooking them in coconut oil. We just sauteing them. Saute means you just slightly heat them up, simmer them. We're not trying to cook the nutrients out of it. But now it's ready. That's it. Now I'm just doing this just for the purposes because I want to eat greens and make my greens taste good. Greens are really good for you. And if you don't like the taste, this is a great way. Just heat them up, lemon juice, make them taste great. If you want to get fancy, you can add some mushrooms, portobello mushrooms on there. If you really want to get more, you want to get fancier than that, you can do all type of stuff. If you want to add a little chicken or something to it, it's up to you. It's a simple way to eat your greens as a quick hustle snack. You eat this, you get energized. Your food should energize you. And I'll talk on some other videos about some other stuff that I think is really great keep you energized. Stuff like moringa, really good. All type of vitamins and minerals. Your black seed oil. These are the pills, the capsules. The oil is better. This is a secret weapon here. This is the Haritaki and the almond fruit combined. This is really great for oxygen in the brain. Vitamin D3, you know, a little bit. We could talk about all that. That ashwagandha, that dopamine, but that's another video. I'll talk about those in another video, but I want y'all to get going. And here's what we all came for, right? To see what it tastes like. That's good. Alright, that's real good. That apple cider vinegar make you want to hustle. Cause your food's supposed to empower you. So in that order, place your order. And your platform partner, subscribe to the page. Remember, pay yourself first and go flip it. 24 hours in a day.